Hi, I'm Tracy with Mayerthorpe Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tote bag out of a t-shirt. So first things first, you will need a t-shirt that you don't mind cutting up and turning into a tote bag, and a pair of scissors. So first, I'm going to cut off the sleeves. If you're younger or your parents don't want you using sharp scissors, you might need some help with this part and the next part. There's a lot of cutting involved in this craft. Cut off the sleeves. I'll probably come back and tidy it up later. And then I'm going to cut the collar part. This is going to be the top of your bag, so you want it to be able to comfortably fit things in. There, we're like that. Next, I'm going to go down to the bottom of the t-shirt where the hem is, and I'm going to cut about 1/2 inch strips into them. And you want to cut them, I'd say maybe 2 inches deep. It's not super specific. You don't need to measure it all out. Just kind of eyeball it. Said 1/2 inch thick. All mine were turning out to be 1 inch thick. And then along the side of the shirt, you have an extra big strip, so you're going to cut that in half. Right along there. And right along there. So next, the way you're going to do this is going to depend on if you want your bag to have a fringe on the outside. If you want it to have a fringe on the outside of the bag, you'll keep it right side out like this, and then you'll start knotting them. I don't, so I'm going to turn it inside out and then knot them so that the knots will be on the inside and won't show. So it's as simple as just taking each. I don't get too fancy with the knots. Okay, so when you all finish tying, it should look something like this. And if you tied it on the outside, it'll have a fringe at the bottom like that. And if you tied it on the inside, you're going to flip it inside out, and then you have a bag that looks like this. Nice little tote bag.